Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing LED keyboard. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Get Started. Tap OK. Scroll down, tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard and tap OK again. Then click on Input Options and select LED keyboard one more time. Now you need to click on one of the available options and tap on the keyboard that you like the best. Now click Get Theme, tap Home button, and when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!